guys, we're back for another video. I'm sure by the title and the thumbnail, you know exactly what we're going to be talking about, especially with all the stuff here in front of me. But for 2021, we decided we were going to go and incorporate some motovlogs onto the channel. I ride, we have friends in the group that ride. Wow, I can't speak today. But yeah, we got friends that ride in the group as well, so it'd be a cool perspective to add more content for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. But we're going to set both of these helmets that I have here in front of me up identically. Both very different helmets. This is the Ruroc Atlas 2.0 helmet in the crimson finish. It's got the black tinted visor on it. Sick looking helmet. Absolutely love the way that it looks. Nothing, honestly, nothing on the market looks like this helmet. And then over here, we have the Bell V-Star Flex helmet. This colorway on the helmet, as you can see, it's a really sick looking colorway. Super hard to find. Sold out pretty much everywhere that I looked. Like, I tried to order it. So I bit the bullet. I bought another V-Star Flex helmet, and I sent it off to my friend Eddie. Eddie, he painted it. He made it look absolutely amazing. I highly recommend him. His link will be in the description below. But he painted the helmet, made it look super sick. Not many people I would trust with my brand new helmet, especially one that was this expensive. This helmet is straight carbon fiber, super lightweight, both of them are, but this one definitely lighter than the Ruroc. This one also comes with a pro tint visor, which is really cool in my opinion. It's basically like transition lenses for your glasses. Less light that it hits the visor, the lighter it gets, so you don't have to switch your visor off for night rides, and it still gets as dark as this one on daytime rides when it's really sunny. Thought it was really cool. Both helmets have quick release visors, so it's not even a big deal to switch it. It's just that it's less work, and hey, why not? What do we got here in front of us today? For video, we have the GoPro Hero 8 Black. We're going to pair it with the Media Mod. I was going to do the adapter that went on the side of the helmet, but this is less bulky, and I honestly think that it's going to be a better look. I didn't want things hanging around on the side of the helmet anyway, and I didn't want to have to tape the adapter to each helmet depending on which one I wanted to use. So this is just a case for the GoPro. What else do we have? We have ND filters to correct for lighting issues with the GoPro. For audio, we have the Media Mod. To mount the GoPro to the helmet, we have mounts provided by Chin Mounts. Heard very good things about them, found them on Instagram. Their link will be in the description below. But they just mount right here to the front of each helmet. Gives you the best perspective for a motovlog in my opinion. You get to see the dash of the bike, you get to see what else is around. It's just a cool look. The Ruroc has a chin mount setup coming as well, but it didn't make it here in time for the video. But just know that it will be set up identical. Both helmets will be equipped with the Sena audio system or communication system. Luckily with Sena, you just have to buy the module one time, and then you can buy the clamp kit for all the hardware to put in each helmet and just move the module back and forth. But today our main focus is going to be the Bell helmet. I already set up the Sena in the Ruroc, so that's all taken care of. So we're going to put the Sena in the Bell helmet, mount up the chin mount, put the GoPro on it to see how it is, and set up the purple Panda mic. And wish I could go for a ride today, but I can't because it's snowing and I don't want to go for a ride today. But in the coming future, you'll definitely see how it works out. Alright guys, let's get started. Move the mic out of the way, the mount for now, the GoPro stuff can go over here. We're going to start with the Sena. Again, this is not a YouTube tutorial in any sort of way. As to the Sena, that's a pain. But more of a fact that I'm just showing you exactly how the helmet's going to be set up. So we are going to remove the padding that is inside of this helmet. The padding inside the V-Star Flex is super cool because indeed it is magnetic. So there are no clips or button things that you gotta press like the Ruroc helmet had. So you just pull these out and it comes, and the latch is also magnetic. So those just come out easily. Let's see what we have here. How does this come out? Oh, that one's not magnetic. That one's actually the tap still. So we're going to pull this out. I'm not going to bore you with the setup of the Sena itself. just know the speakers mount inside of the helmet. We got to run the wire so everything's hidden, and we will take it from there. I'll catch back up with you guys as soon as I get this all mounted up and put together. Yeah, this isn't a YouTube tutorial in any way, so in any way, shape, or form, because I am absolutely not an expert in figuring out how to do this. So I'm going to figure out how to do this. I'll get back to you guys as soon as it's all together and we're on to the next step, which would probably be the purple Panda mic. So stay tuned. I'll catch back up with you guys in a second, which may be more than a second for me. Alright guys, it's been a while since I last updated you. It was honestly just a bunch of hiding wires and setting up the Sena and all that. Sena's all set up on the helmet. I have the purple Panda mic set up as well, as you could see. It is going to sit perfectly. I will put the GoPro on here in just a second, but it's going to sit perfectly for the GoPro with the media mod. It's honestly a nightmare trying to hide the wires and making it clean, especially when you have OCD like I do. Takes a little while, so I didn't want to bore you guys. I did that little time lapse that I put in the video earlier, but needless to say, it was time consuming, especially when you were trying to do it all clean. You definitely want to take your time with it so you don't feel any of the wires while you're riding. The nice thing about the Bell helmets is that they have little inserts for the speakers already, so all I had to do was pull the little foam thing that comes with the Bell helmet, and I just put the speaker right in there. Very easy to figure out where they're supposed to go. Didn't take a lot of effort. But yeah, this is the chin mount. It's on there, super sturdy. GoPro will definitely go right there, and it'll connect straight to the media mod with the adapter for the mic. That's it. That's all I got for you guys. I will show you guys a test of the audio in just a second. But I still have to put the purple Panda mic in the Ruroc helmet, which is just on the other side of the camera. So I keep pointing there. It's not because I'm going crazy. But yeah, let me set up the purple Panda mic in the Ruroc. I can't show you guys how the whole setup will look with the Ruroc with the GoPro because I don't have the chin mount yet. But I'll at least get it ready for it. So give me a minute. Let me set up the purple Panda in the Ruroc, and then I will show you the audio that comes out of it. Alright guys, it's been a minute since we last talked. We got the Ruroc all set up with the mic. The Bell is ready to go with the chin mount as well as the GoPro with the media mod attached to it. Plan is to test out the audio of the mic and the whole setup. Right now, I mean, it is going to be a little bit different because we don't have background noise like wind or the exhaust or things like that. But we'll get a good idea of what it's going to sound like. I'm super excited for what's to come in this upcoming year. Let's test out this audio system and see what we got. Oh, it's gonna get hot. It's like 75 in here right now. Alright guys, we are now hooked up straight to the audio of the mic with the GoPro. If you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. I hope the quality is great. I'm super excited for what's to come in the year. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. Many of you aren't subscribed to the channel that are watching the videos. If you like the content, smash that subscribe button. See you the next time.